Sadly, this great Bitcoin chart, BLX, has been discontinued. I will move all my lines from this chart to the new crypto Bitcoin chart. Now, let's look at the Bitcoin charts. On the Binance chart, I will move the anchored VWAP line to the recent all-time high instead of previous high. We can see this is now being used as resistance. Last video was down at the low, where I said it was at a turning point to go bearish or resume the bull run. We see Bitcoin has now broken up above some resistance levels shown, but needs to get above VWAP line to go higher. On the USDT chart, I said last video it had to reject from the yellow MA55 and not go above green line. We see it has done this and is now trying to break down below my red line. The RSI trend line shows it is at a critical point where it will determine a move up for Bitcoin if this was a fake out of the trend line. Just like before. On the CME Bitcoin chart, once price is accepted into the gap, it should be filled. Previously, price refused to enter the gap area. The downtrend is broken, and we see this green trendline support as Bitcoin price rises to squeeze up into this area it is now in. On the low time frame USDT chart, the green support trendline got broken, and if it can break that red line, we should see a strong move up for Bitcoin. On the RSI, we see it is at a point of either bouncing or breaking the trend line, which will determine the next move for Bitcoin. The Bybit chart shows a potential inverse head and shoulders pattern forming. What we want to see is some high volume upon breakout, for this to complete. If we see it complete, Bitcoin could move to purple line, then retest neckline, before moving to fill gap and get to POC at 118,000. A rejection here, and we look to support below. If break that red line, the H and S pattern is broken. I am expecting Bitcoin to rally and complete the pattern to fill the CME gap above. This is where we then look at a hedge short trade at major resistance levels depending on whether there is a reaction at that level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and the bell notification.